Hey, good morning. So, on today's training session, we're going to cover how to connect your current Facebook page into ManyChat. So, there are actually no specific requirements for this. You just have to have a Facebook page created or available. Um, so, once you have that, go into the link that says managechat.com. You will then be redirected to this landing page. It is, or it shows you the samples, specific use cases of ManyChat. So once you jump or get here, click on the Get Started Free button on top right corner and connect the Facebook page you wanted to use. So I'm going to select the FBMC demo account, click on Connect, and just answer a couple of marketing questions from ManyChat. This is just to better understand who or what your page is about. So, will this account be for an actual business? If it is, then you can select yes. If no, this is just for this scenario, I'm using a demo account. So, this is just for testing a demo account. What type of messages are you going to send to ManyChat? I'm going to select all of them, except I don't know yet. Ideally, once you completed this training, you will have all these channels set up as well. And are you creating this for a client? No, since this is a demo account. So once you have answered all those questions, just click on continue. And you now have your managed account connected to your Facebook page. If you, as you may notice, the Facebook page has been name has been copied, the profile picture has been copied, and this is your general bot link. So see you on the next training sessions.